Hello everyone, you're very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. Would you know what someone meant if they said the writing is on the wall? This idiom is used to indicate that something is going to happen, like when something is bound to happen, usually because of incidents or decisions leading up to the current situation. In this video, I'm going to explain what English speakers mean when they say the writing is on the wall. I'll give you some examples to use in the workplace and in social situations, so you'll feel more confident using this popular idiom. Let's say someone is aware that the writing is on the wall. They are aware that something bad will happen soon. Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. The coach really wanted to keep the player at the club, but he knew the writing was on the wall regarding his outstanding performances. Another team was going to sign him. I'm breaking up with you. What? Come on, the writing's been on the wall for weeks. I lost my position in the neighborhood committee. I kind of knew, to be honest. The writing was on the wall for a while. Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. I'm sorry everyone, but I have some bad news. The company is going bankrupt and will be closing soon. The writing has been on the wall for a long time, but we kept trying to save your jobs. I lost my job today. I can't say I'm surprised though. The writing's been on the wall for me. I haven't been doing very well. I got a call about the interview. I didn't get the job, unfortunately. I didn't do very well in the interview, so I guess the writing was on the wall. Where did you hear the expression, the writing is on the wall? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.